Hey friends, I was out in the garden. I was watering some things and just kind of checking some things out. And as I was doing that, I was just thinking about how making comparisons can end up making you feel like things aren't growing or going the way that they should. So I've got some plants, some that I just planted because it was like every time I tried to get outside, the conditions weren't right. It was hot or it had just rained or whatever. So it took me a minute to get some of them out. So now that they're out, I mean, they're growing, but they're not growing as quickly as I'd hoped. Like, it's like the other plants have really caught on and they really capitalized on that, I guess, season of heat and water, and they're looking great. But the other ones, the new ones, are looking kind of sad. And then I thought about how we do that to ourselves, how we look at what somebody else is doing and we kind of let that drain our energy a little bit. Like, we wonder why, oh, so and so, she can function on 3 hours of sleep. Why can't I? What's wrong with me? Or so and so can accomplish all these tasks in one day, or so and so's business is doing so well, or so and so just got the promotion. And we let it kind of drain us when really the comparison doesn't even need to be made. Just because something isn't making the amount of progress or it's looking the way you think it should doesn't mean it's not growing, doesn't mean it's not doing well. um, I'm standing in front of a pear tree and I can't expect how this pear tree is growing. I can't expect my pecans to do the same thing. I can't expect my okra to even do the same thing. The conditions for it are different, its needs are different, and different is okay. Nothing, it just because I got a ginkgo biloba tree over there and it's in a pot, so it's not growing as quickly as the stuff that I have in the ground. So I said all that just to come in and just encourage you all to not let comparisons drain your energy, not let, you know, what we see on the surface. We don't know what the person has, what work they've done behind the scenes. We don't know what's lurking below the surface. All we know is what we see. So take a moment just to be a little bit more kinder to yourself today. I've got some exciting things coming up. I am hosting an in-person workshop. If you're in Columbia, South Carolina area, you are invited. If you want information, the link in the description box. If you're not in the area but you're still looking for some support with recovering from just being stressed, being overworked, I've got some resources for you as well. I'll put those links in the description. I've got a quiz. If you're not even sure what's draining your energy, if you're wondering why you're constantly exhausted, you're getting enough sleep, but it's not helping, I've got the quiz just for you.